BSC scan coins are performing really well nowadays. That's why BNB is even growing rapidly. But still, on BSC there are number of things which they have to check before passing Ethereum. Now the major question here is how you can make good profit in BSC scan coins. The best point to take the profit from all the BSC scan coins is to take the entry in pre-sale and get at least up to 100x when the project entered in the market. So in this video, I will share a BSC plan that will even surpass the Pancake token soon as per my own idea. So if you want to know more about this hidden gem, stay tuned with us because they are also going to launch their own DEX exchange. Stay tuned.
Feel uninvited.
Selenium Swap is a whole new decentralized exchange on Binance Smart Chain, as known as second generation yield farming mechanism that allows the perpetual price increase with a sustainable and profitable farming yield with a time lock contract at launch. In this video, I will also share with you that how you can purchase the token directly from the pre-sale, and it's one of the best time for all of you. Here you can see the end date of the pre-sale is 27 June 2021, and you can even buy the Selen token, SELEN. The ticker is Selen and the name of this token is Selenium. You can even buy this token with only 0.01 BNB. So it's one of the best time for all of you to take the entry. Per BNB token, it will cost you around 0.0016. So for example, if you are going with only 0.1 BNB, you will get some amount of Selen token. And as per my own idea, this coin Selen token will reach up to minimum $20 in near future. So what is basically the mission of the Selenium? That is basically a big question. Selenium token, and also you can say the Selen, SELEN, wants everyone to farm from it. Selen final goals are the transition to full AMM, creating a NFTs market via using the Selen to exchange and play and win area. Now, the best question is how you can purchase this token. Simply, you have to click on the unlock wallet, then you have to connect your MetaMask, and simply, for example, if you are going with only 0.1 BNB, you can easily purchase the token directly from the main website. I will also share the link of this website in the description of this video. Now, something more about the Selen. You can even trade over here. You can buy and sell the different type of tokens over here on the Selenium farm. You can also farm your tokens. So it is basically the one-stop shop for every type of trader. And number of new things like the play and win option, some type of lotteries will also be entertained on the seleniumswap.com very soon. Now some major things which the company and also the team is going to solve. The first one is large funds enters and exits, basically creating a significant fluctuation. Constant token creation with stable coins without any contribution, insufficient token burn, and a rug pull. So overall, the idea behind this token is entirely huge, and as per my own idea, this coin will be huge in near future. So something about the burn mechanism, 4% deposit fee will be charged as staking. Buyback burning will happen every 5 million TVL, 25% of the deposit fee, 4% will be allocated to buyback, sellers and burn. 25% of the deposit fee, 4% will be allocated as an insurance ward, and 50% of the deposit fee, 4% will be spent for the partnership with other project or farmers, used for other audits, social contests and advertisement. More burning strategies coming soon. So now, my friends, basically right now at the time of this video, I think the price of one cake token is about $19. And if you entered in the cake token at the early stage, at that time the price of one token is entirely low. So if I'm not saying definitely, but if the Selenium will work same like that, then definitely the price of this token will be huge in near future. So what you think about the price idea, do let me know in the comment section. And as I told you that right now it's the time for you. Here you can click on the details and you will get all the details. 27 June is the last date for the pre-sale. So it's one of the best time for you. Simply you have to unlock the wallet and you can purchase the Selen SELEN token directly from the main website. I'm not a financial advisor. I will share the link of the website so you can check all the things. Then you can take the entry in this token. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. And the best part of this token is that in the pre-sale, if you are going to buy it with 1 Selen is equal to 0.0016 BNB. But when it will enter in the market, the price of one token is double. So you will get that how it will work and how much profit it will give you. Thanks a lot.